Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video let us discuss AC circuit problem for mesh analysis, that is KVL. You can see here, find current through 4 ohm resistor using loop current method or else mesh analysis method. Just see here, this is the circuit diagram. You can observe the circuit diagram. Now you give loops. For first loop I1 is flowing, for second loop I2 is flowing, similarly for third loop I3 is flowing. After that you give the direction of polarity. They are only given the arrow mark minus to plus. Current flows resistor is plus to minus, plus to minus. Similarly at 4 ohm plus to minus, capacitor plus to minus. You can see based on the direction of loop you are marking the polarity. So this is how we have to give direction. After that, based on the direction of loop, mark the second polarity or first polarity. It is all in your wish. So I am considering second polarity. If you want to give first polarity for all the loops, you have to consider first polarity only. So this is how you have to do after taking the question. They were not given this direction of the loop, currents and polarities that you have to give. So I am assuming that there are 3 currents which are flowing in a clockwise direction because it is a 3 loop circuit. So in a first loop I1 is flowing, second loop I2 is flowing, third loop I3 is flowing. So that give direction, mark the polarities, then apply KVL to these 3 loops. So you can apply KVL to the first loop now. So current is flowing in a clockwise direction. You can see here the arrow they are given minus and plus. Through the resistor current is flowing from plus to minus, plus to minus. Based on the direction of loop I am marking the second polarity, that is plus, minus, minus. Then I am writing the equation. See, plus 50 at an angle of 0 degree, minus 5i1 minus j2 into i1 minus i2 equals to 0. After doing simplification, you will get 5 plus j2i1 minus j2i2 equals to 50 at an angle of 0 degree. I am giving this as equation number 1. Similarly, applying KVL to the second loop, that is minus 4i2 minus into minus plus j2 into I2 minus I3, both are in opposite direction and the reference is second loop. And here also minus j2 into I2 minus I1, so writing the same equation. Then simplifying, this j2 I2 minus j2 I2 will get cancelled. You can take screenshot and simplify open the equation, you will get to know this. Finally you will get j2 I1 minus 4i2 minus j2 I3 equals to 0. I am giving this as equation number 2. Similarly, you can see here, applying KVL to loop 3, minus 2i3 plus 26.25 at an angle of minus 66.8 degree, minus into minus plus j2 into i3 minus i2. After simplifying, you will get j2i2 plus 2 minus j2 into i3 equals 26.25 at an angle of minus 66.8. You can give this as equation number 3. Now you write these 3 equations in determinant method you are doing to find the current flows through 4 ohm, that is I2 is flowing now. So this I2 is given by change in current divided by determinant of I. So first you are writing the determinant of I here. The equations you are writing in a determinant form. So if you multiply this you can get LHS side equation. Similarly you are doing the determination, that is plus of this into this minus this. Similarly minus into this, you are simplifying this, you can get minus 84 plus j24 amperes. So to find I2, replace second column by constant, that is RHS value of the equation. Then simplify this, you will get 0. So the final answer, by doing this simplification you can take screenshot and check the simplification, you will get 0. Then you can find the value of current I2, that is 0. So that current flows through the 4 ohm is 0. So just take the screenshot. If you are having any doubts regarding this, feel free to write in the comment box. and I will try to solve this with the help of calculator in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.